Hi, this is Chris, KF7P. Right now I'm going to show you how to make a Cadweld connection. It's very easy. It comes with everything you see here in the kit, including the instruction sheet. All you need to do is add a ground rod and the wires you want to connect to the ground rod. Okay, before we get started, it's important to make sure that the top of the ground rod is nice and clean. You can do that with a wire brush, or you can use some sandpaper. Get that nice and shiny clean. Secondly, if the top of the ground rod has mushroomed out from pounding it in the ground with a hammer, you need to cut that mushroom off, otherwise it won't fit through the grommet in the bottom of the crucible. So you can cut that off with a hacksaw, a sawzall, or an abrasive disc of some sort. Okay, so to set it up, first you put the crucible on, you spin it on, and you can see how it seats on top of those two inserts. Then you put your wires in, and they essentially just touch each other right on top of the ground rod. And they do make Cadweld one-shot connections for 1, 2, 3, or 4 wires. Once the wires are in, you drop this little disc in and make sure it seats flat. Then pour in the weld powder with the starter powder and put the lid on. And then all you do is spark it with a sparker and it ignites and your connection's finished. Let's go outside now and take a look at it and see how it works. Wires in, drop in the disc, pour the powder in. Make sure all the starter powder, which is the finer powder, it's in the bottom of the container, makes its way in there. Alright, make sure you're wearing these safety glasses. Make sure you've got your safety gear on. This gets extremely hot. Okay, here we go. And there it is. So when you're all done and you break the mold off with the hammer, that's what's left. Looks real nice. Super easy. And you get a nice permanent ground connection that'll never come apart. Thanks for watching.